Welcome to This Explainer. We are jumping right into the most exciting, emotionally charged storylines of the 2026 World Cup, which is bringing the absolute best players on the planet right here to the United States. Now, if you're tuning into the beautiful game for the very first time, here's the deal. The World Cup is literally the pinnacle of global sports. It's this massive, month-long tournament where nations from every corner of the globe battle it out for the ultimate crown in soccer. And let me tell you, 2026, it's shaping up to be one for the history books. We've got perennial powerhouses from Europe and South America going head-to-head with hungry underdogs from all over. Let's break down exactly who you need to know.
Section 1. A generation-defining rivalry. The last dance of two legends. So let's kick things off with two names that, honestly, even non-soccer fans instantly recognize. Lionel Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo.
Over 1 billion. Just think about that massive number for a second. That is the combined social media following of Messi and Ronaldo. It's wild, right? It perfectly captures the sheer, incredible scale of a rivalry that has completely gripped the globe. Honestly, even if you've never watched a single second of a soccer match, their influence is so vast that their names are woven into everyday global culture. For years and years, these two have defined an entire generation of soccer, battling back and forth, constantly trading the title of the absolute best player in the world. They are what we call prolific goal scorers. Basically, their main job, and what they do better than almost anyone else in history, is putting the ball in the back of the net.
Now, for the longest time, there was just one major trophy missing from both of their legendary display cabinets, the World Cup. But in 2022, everything shifted. Messi finally cleared that massive hurdle, right? He carried Argentina across the finish line to win it all. Ronaldo, on the other hand, is still passionately chasing that ultimate elusive dream for his home country of Portugal. So, the contrast in their storylines heading into this tournament, it literally couldn't be more compelling.
But here's the catch. Time is running out. With both of these superstars hovering right around 40 years old, Father Time is definitely knocking on the door. Depending on how the 2026 tournament shakes out, there's a very real possibility these icons could collide in the knockout rounds. And for our new viewers, the knockout rounds are exactly what they sound like. It's the high-stakes elimination phase of the tournament. Win, and you advance. Lose, and you go home. The stakes absolutely could not be higher for what very well could be their final tournament together.
It really makes you wonder, what if they actually face off one last time? Imagine seeing Messi and Ronaldo staring each other down on the pitch once again, in a massive win-or-go-home scenario. What would that even be like to watch? I mean, it's safe to say the entire planet would completely stop at its tracks to watch that historic moment unfold. It would be pure magic.
Section 2. The U.S. team's home dream. Making history on home soil. This brings us to the unique, immense pressure and excitement surrounding the U.S. men's national team. They've got a huge opportunity to make history right on their own turf. And in soccer, home field advantage is a massive deal. The roar of a hometown crowd can literally shift the entire momentum of a game.
You can really feel the emotion coming from 27-year-old American star Christian Pulisic. He's a native of Hershey, Pennsylvania, currently playing for the massive Italian club AC Milan. And he shared that while playing in any World Cup is a dream, doing it in your home country is going to be extra special. You've got to look for Pulisic to step up and completely electrify those home crowds just like he did at the last World Cup. And you know, the stakes are just as deeply personal for Folarin Balogun. Born in New York before growing up in England, he echoes that exact same deep desire. For him, stepping out in front of a home crowd isn't just about the sport itself. It's about making his loved ones, his family, and his friends proud. It brings this beautiful, deeply personal human element right to the forefront of the games. But as we know, passion alone doesn't win games, preparation does. U.S. captain Tim Payne believes his squad is in a phenomenal position. He stated loud and clear that the guys are mentally, physically, and emotionally ready to get going, and trust me, they are going to need every single ounce of that readiness. In between all the U.S. matches, they'll be surrounded by incredibly talented, vaunted global powerhouses from places like Brazil, Colombia, England, and Morocco. Section 3. Global Giants and Viral Stars. Expect the unexpected. Because look, the World Cup isn't just about the heavily analyzed strategy on the pitch. It's also about those incredible, totally unscripted moments that happen completely off it.
Take Tim Payne, for example. He's a relatively unknown defender for New Zealand. Before all the hype, he had fewer than 5,000 followers on Instagram. But then, completely out of nowhere, an Argentinian influencer started hyping him up online. With zero planning,
His following skyrocketed virtually overnight to over 5 million followers. It's just a crazy testament to the unpredictable, global power of the soccer community.
To put that viral explosion into a little context for you, Tim Payne's brand new fan base of over 5 million people is literally larger than the entire population of his home country of New Zealand. He went from playing his game quietly to suddenly having an audience larger than his own nation overnight. Seriously, how wild is that?
Meanwhile, the spotlight shines blindingly bright back on the pitch for the established global giants. If you want to talk about an intimidating track record, look absolutely no further than France's Kylian Mbappé. This guy was a World Cup winner in 2018 and then came right back to be the World Cup runner-up in 2022. He brings a terrifyingly successful proven history into the 2026 tournament. Opposing teams know exactly how dangerous he is every single time he touches the ball.
Section 4. The next generation emerges. Passing the torch to the youth. Because while veterans like Messi, Ronaldo, and Mbappe rightfully command our attention, there is a fierce new wave of rising superstars making their World Cup debuts. They're looking to grab that torch and claim the global spotlight entirely for themselves.
When we use the term generational talent, meaning someone who possesses these rare, era-defining abilities that honestly only come around once in a very long while, Spain's phenom Lamine Yamal is the prime example. At just 18 years old, he is already absolute must-see TV. He is electric. He's exceptionally fast. He just instinctively knows how to play and how to score against athletes years older than him. He is the literal definition of the next generation arriving right here, right now.
But ultimately, you know what the most beautiful thing about a tournament this massive is? It isn't just watching the stars we already know. The greatest magic of the World Cup is watching the players we aren't even talking about yet. In the weeks ahead, there will absolutely be underdogs and rookies who will step onto that field, completely shock the world, and suddenly make a massive name for themselves.
So, I'll leave you with this final, exciting thought to carry with you as the tournament approaches. When the games officially kick off and the entire world is watching, which unknown star is going to step out of the shadows, seize their moment on the pitch, and become a legend? It is the ultimate thrill of the sport, and I absolutely cannot wait to see it unfold with you.